Besides RAR, zip format is used quite often. By using this format, we can insert several files into it. On Android phones, there are several types of mobile phones that are equipped with an application to compress and extract zip files. But if it's not available yet, we can download an application that can do that. For example, in the Z-Archiver application, we can download it for free on Play Store. To do compression, run the Z-Archiver application, and then find the file you want to compress into the zip file. If you want to insert multiple files, hold down the touch on the file icon. After that, we can select some files. Or we can touch the tick icon to do multi-select. If several files have been selected, select the down arrow icon to go to the compression setting. Here, we can name the zip file. On the icon with 3 horizontal dots, serves to set the location where we will save the file. In the archive format option, there are several file types to choose from. In this option, I will choose the zip format. At the compression level, I will choose maximum process. In encryption, just use the security system from Data AES 256. If you want the file to be locked, type in the password, so that only certain people can open it. If this setting is checked, the original compressed file will be deleted automatically. In Split into Volumes is the setting for splitting files into multiple zip files at the size capacity that is set. If everything is done, select OK. And this is the zip file that was created earlier. Because I entered the password earlier, then I have to type the password to see it. To extract the zip file, touch the file name. Then select Extract. Because I want to extract it into a new folder, I select Extract to Archive Name. And after that, type in the password. Then select OK. And now the zip file has been extracted into a new file. For now, the Z-Archiver application cannot reduce the file size to a smaller size. That's how to extract and compress zip files using an Android phone. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.